a El shop. When he reached 100 the popular was 20 or 30. So congratulations on the films tonight, and one love and keep up the good work. You know, Barbara, you have anything else to say?
Thank you. A few things. I see so many faces. I saw Rick Elwood I see sitting in front of me. Come on, filmmaker. And there's one person I see in front of me, but I'm going to save his introduction. Come here, Rick. Rick Elwood is an English Jamaican. He has helped make the films Dancehall Queen and Third World Cup. But this film festival, although we're also going to see Third World Cup, we're going to see his new film, which is called Surf Rasta. And it's about the young Rastas out at Ulbe who become world surfing champions. Rick, come in. Use this mic. Come on. This mic is fine. Oh, you got it? All right. What's up? Good evening. Yeah.
Greetings.
You finally made it. Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Well, this is a bit of a surprise, actually. I just came off the bus from Portland and walked up here from halfway tree, so good evening.
Nice. Welcome. You brought your film with you, I hope?
Yeah, it's in the bag.
It's in the bag. All right. So what made you come to Jamaica and make films? I mean, you're a Jamaican now. You live here.
Well, it was an inspiration when I was at college. I was living in a West Indian community and I started running around with the sound system. I ended up with it in my house because the police wanted to lock it down. So I had it in my house and I shook the house down and I decided, well, I love the music and I was a filmmaker, so hey, come to Jamaica and see what I want.
Nice, you really did well. I mean, you really made a contribution to Jamaican film industry. Thank you. Well, I'm sure when I walk over here, I'm going to see quite a few more people. So if you just allow me, because I see Chappie St. Just over there, I'm going to call him to come over here and be introduced to the people of Jamaica. Come on, Chappie, don't be shy. Don't be shy. By the way, do you know there's going to be an eclipse of the moon tonight? I see the moon shining right over there in front of us. We're going to have quite a spectacle, and I think it's a very excellent omen for the Reggae Film Festival that something celestial is happening tonight. We had some blessings of rain a little earlier, and now we have yes, look at that, the moon. Okay, this gentleman you're about to meet, Mr. Franklin St. Just, he's originally from Trinidad. He came to Jamaica, he married a Jamaican woman, so, you know, what better thing could he do? He is a Jamaican, he's correcting me now. He's been here long enough. And this is the man who was the cinematographer on The Harder They Come, which is the film you most know. But that's just one of the many films he's made. He's one of Jamaica's greatest cinematographers, and I want to welcome you to the Reggae Film Festival, Chappie.
Thank you very much for welcoming me.
Give us a song, man. Give us a song. Tell us something of the work you've done over the years as a cinematographer.
Well, so much I've done. Internationally and locally. I shot a feature film besides Harder They Come called Sherman of Babylon, and I've done several documentaries.
Yes.
Some of them award-winning documentaries.
I remember one called Pablo Singh, which was an award-winning documentary.
No, I didn't work on that.
Oh, sorry.
That was Cynthia Wilmot.
Sorry, I thought you were a cinematographer on that.
No, I wasn't.
Okay. But this gentleman spent a lot of his career working with the JIS. A lot of the stuff that you see on JIS, and certainly all of the historical work that's in the archives of JIS, has been shot by Mr. Chappie St. Just. He's one of the pioneers of the Jamaican film industry, and I just want to say welcome.
Thank you very much. I'm glad to be here.
Well, we can kind of amble over to our seats. Would you all, my valued guests, take a seat? Give us a little overview then, Ellie. What's up?
Yeah, well, the crowd is coming in more, you know, I see a whole lot of people from overseas who flew down for this event, so, you know, it's very nice, you know. Big up the locals, people who's here tonight, and big up all the sponsors, them, you know, IRFM, Jamaica Tourist Board, CVM, Air Jamaica, you know, Observer, you know, all other people, Barbara. So this is a very sponsored event.
Yes, we got a lot of help from really good sponsors. We mustn't forget Virgin Atlantic, which was very kind enough to bring our friend Peter Gittins here. And we got good accommodations from Strawberry Hill and the Altamont Court Hotel. The Court Hotel is suites, had TV and CVM.
Yeah.
We really have got some good support for this film festival. So I want you all to really enjoy yourselves tonight and enjoy the films.
All right.
One person I want to introduce to you, very special gentleman, and that's Mr. Peter Gittens, a whole archive of Jamaican films, especially reggae films. So we started corresponding, and when I saw how many films there were, we came up with the idea that it would be good to show them to Jamaica, because most of them have never been seen in Jamaica. And so the film festival idea was born. More than that, the idea of a Jamaica film archive, where we can keep these films, store them, show them, and use them as a foundation to teach more about filmmaking in Jamaica. So we came with the idea, we put it to the Minister of Information and Culture, the Honorable Batsy Grange, and she said yes, and here is a film festival. And the man I'm talking about, I was very surprised to see him when he got off the plane, is a man named Peter Gittens. Come here, Peter. Give him a round of applause, please. Yes. Turn around, let them see your face. Yes. This young man is Peter Gittens of ReggaeFilms.co. Peter, what is it about Jamaican music that made you want to keep these films?
I've loved reggae from a very young age, and Jamaican music and Jamaican film, reggae film. I don't know what it is about it, it's just I've got a big passion for Jamaican film.
I mean, someone asked you the other day, what's your favorite Jamaican music?
Yeah, Lloyd Ricketts, I See a Sign, my favourite song.
And most people here don't even know Lloyd Ricketts, you know?
True, yeah.
That's really nice. So, how have you found Jamaica so far?
It's just like a dream come true being here. It's my first time here. I wanted to come since I was young. It's just a dream to be part of the Reggae Festival and to be doing something to help preserve Jamaican film and show the films to the people, you know.
Hey, I'm sure you have some questions to ask him. Come in.
Well, I guess you said it all. Yes, right now, Barbara, the film festival, we have to give you a warm, love and appreciation for it, because I've been all over the world and everyone have been doing their own thing, and so when you come up with this idea, it's a very symbolous one, fundamentally speaking. You understand?
To me, filmmaker, and he's telling me that Lucky Dube wrote this song for his movie. I don't believe you, Stabber.
No, I have a series called Reggae Strong, and it was in New York that Lucky Dube first went on television in the West, and I put him on. So he was so inspired by that he wrote this song called Reggae Strong, which is based on the name of my show.
Wonderful news, look at that. Yeah, clap it. First film tonight, which is The Legacy, Rico Rodriguez. And can I just call the filmmaker on stage so you can see him for yourselves? In the meantime, I want to acknowledge the presence of Brother Sam Clayton. Our presence, the Mystic Revelation of Rastafari. Definitely. One of the founders, the originators of music, took it abroad. We have, yes, Brother Sam, let them see you. Yes, indeed. I see quite a few faces now that I've come up front. Maxine Walters, filmmaker, Del Crooks, Jamaican Film Commissioner, Natalie Thompson, Brian St. Jude's, Jamaican film producer. I see Professor Vereen Shepherd here. Welcome, Professor. And is that a Miss Jamaica in the front row? Welcome. I know that Carl Davis is here. And will you stand up? Where are you, Carl Davis? Are you hiding somewhere? You're not small. Carl Davis. You recognize him from Royal Palm Estate, but he stars in the feature film we're going to see tonight, which is called Almost Heaven. And when we find him again, we'll let you see him. Jeff Jorba, we've lost him. Come quickly.
First time in Jamaica.
First time in Jamaica. This is Jeff Jorba. He's the director of the film we're going to see. It's called Rico Rodriguez, The Legacy. And without further ado, our first documentary. Enjoy.